How much do you want to share? Hi guys, you already know who it is. It's your girl IAmJustOyin. Welcome to my So at first off, I want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I mean, I was just looking at the views on most especially that Makoko vlog, and I was like okay, so I just decided, okay, let me just make a vlog of me going to the market. So what do I do aside my 9 to 5? Yeah, I'm into bags. I make bags, I make belts, I make wallets, and so I'm going to the market today. I have order for belt and bag, so I'm going to be going to the market to get material for belts and then some other few stuffs. I think I don't have much gum, and also I'll buy some other stuff. So I want you guys to come with me. But thank you so much, I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click on that subscribe button. So this is our tire midi handbag, and this is our mini pleated handbag. So this is hand stitched. Take a look at my bag. Yay! Check my Instagram page in case you want to order B for You crafts. But anyways, come with me. We're going to Mushin. If you're into leather works, you know that Mushin is where you're supposed to go to get your things. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome to Mushin. So it's going to be very tough for me to talk as I'm doing stuff because of how noisy this place is. So I'm just going to do this voice over here so I can take you along with me. So this is the market you come to if you're going for a one-stop shop where you want to get everything you need at the same spot. This is it. You just have to go here and you have to open your eyes. Once you open your eyes, you know where you're going to. Trust me, you're going to get lovely stuffs ranging from different leathers, accessories, chains, back stands, magnets, whatever it is you need for maybe bags, shoes, whatever. You just have to know where it is you're going to, and voila, this is a cylinder arm sewing machine, and it is mostly used for hard to get corners, all those weird back shapes that you're looking like, oh my god, how am I going to sew this? This is the best machine for it. It makes the work so much easier. You don't have to stress yourself into turning, squeezing. This is just the best machine to get, the cylinder arm sewing machine. You know us and simplifying things now, we mostly call it arm cylinder. Okay, this is my next stop. This is where I get my buckles for belts. I like getting my buckles from here because he has nice stuffs, quality, which is what I am trying to associate my brand with. This is where I get buckles for Birkenstocks. So these buckles here are mostly buckles for sandals, shoes, and all. So this is where I come to if I want to get my buckles for Birkenstocks and all. This is the best place for me. Like I said, I'm telling you guys the places I go to. There are so many other places you can go to, but these are the places I come to. These are the people I have associated with, and I really like their stuffs. So you can get anything you need, ranging from tools, whatever tool it is you want. Just walk around and trust me, you're going to get everything you need. Okay, this is energy gum. This is what I use for my bags and shoes as well. We have different type of gums. We have energy gum, we have chemical gums, and even the energy gums are different. There's so many types of them. You just have to know whichever one works for you. I like to use this one because that is what my boss introduced me to, and so far I haven't regretted using it. So it boils down to personal choice. So the market is very, very big. You can get whatever it is you need. You just have to keep moving around. What's up guys? So I'm finally back home. My tired is tired, so that's it. I've gotten everything I needed, and the market is not smiling, but we move. Alright guys, please make sure you check my Instagram page. I'm going to be dropping the link down below. Follow my business page. Please make sure you patronize me, okay? I make quality bags, belts. Trust me, you're not going to be disappointed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. please subscribe, click on that post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a video. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.